Hello everyone, Sam is here again, resuming the video. Actually, I accidentally closed the first video and I'm going to make this one part two, or maybe I'll add this video into the first one, right? So let's get started. So I showed you the 40-minute chart of this pound yen setup. This was the setup bouncing from the TL, a blue candle, a reversal candle, and one blue candle, and it's supposed to be going to the upside. I supposed to take the entry from 7-minute chart targeting 93.53 and then 94. So let's see what happened to this one. And this is nice and clean going to the upside. This is first entry. This is second entry, and it is going to the upside. The target is 93.53 is this white line, or this band, yellow band is 194. So let's see if I get there, right? And if I'm too tired, I'm going to close somewhere here, maybe R1 or this level, and then go to sleep, right? So this is how pound yen is going. And next was euro yen. Euro yen is supposed to be bouncing from here, going to the upside, also targeting higher levels, right? So 7-minute entry on this one, I showed you earlier in the first video, and this was the entry. So this entry was taken by the EA. See the little arrow here, right? And my auto robot, so it took it, and so far this one is the best one, and it is 67 pip, but the target is this yellow band. It based on the daily pivot. I mean the daily range, right? So the low of the day is this, and the range is 185. So if you see from here to here is 180 almost, right? So that's the daily range. Price usually do that. So it's gonna go there, or maybe somewhere here. I'm up 65, 65, almost 60, 75, right? So maybe 80, 90, I'll close and go to sleep because I'm really too tired. So the third one was I couldn't get the proper entry earlier, and that was the USD yen. It was bouncing from here after retracement, and nice and clean, supposed to be going to the upside, and I supposed to take a long. When I saw this, the long entry was missed, and then later on, this one I got the entry, and so far it's in the money. It's positive. It's going to the upside. This target, this one has a daily range of 190, and if you look at the bottom of the day to 190 is like around here, right? A little bit low, like here, right? So I'm gonna just move this one a little bit low. This is where the daily range ends, right? Just going powerfully, maybe here, I'll close because it's a very late entry. That the entry should be this one here. But anyway, no big deal, right? I just made the entry just to show. This video is for the purpose of showing that how I do the analysis and how my system is and how I make the entry, because a lot of people ask and then I have to explain individually, and that's becoming a headache. So I'm making this video, so next time somebody asks, boom, here you go, watch it, right? So this is the USD yen 7-minute going to the upside. Besides that, if you look other pairs, have so many opportunities with this system here. Beautiful. For example, Aussie yen. I'm just going to talk about the yen. So see, Aussie yen was also in a bull trend, and every time it dip, it goes to the upside. So all you got to do is just take the entry from 7-minute. And if you look at the 7-minute chart of Aussie yen, and this was, so it has not posted the long entry just yet, but I opened the trade anyway just for the sake of it, just to show, because the EMAs are moving to the upside, aligning. So hopefully it's going to dip here. This indicator will dip here, and the entry setup will be completed. But I says, you know what, just take the entry and then show that how confident I am and how beautiful the system is. Right, it goes to the distance anyway. Similarly, here you can see that this CAD yen, this daily range for this one is 140, and it was mixing here, crossing the wave, but all of a sudden it gave the entry here, beautiful entry, which I missed, right? And then it went up. Now it may drop and give me the entry again. Then I'll take it just to show I don't really want to take it. Like I said, I'm too tired. Pound yen, euro yen, USD yen, enough. And but I'll take the entry if I'm still awake. And like I said, the daily range of this pair you can see is 140, and it has done 115. So not too much left in here to do actually, right? 115 means that the low of the day is this low, right? And 140 would be where? 140 is like maybe just above this pivot, right? You can say the pivot. So from here, if I make the entry, what am I going to make? 40 pip? I don't want that. So forget about that. I'm not going to open this one. If this entry, that would be great, because if I made the entry here and to take it here, that's 90 pip trade, right? So that's a decent amount of trade. So that's how these entries are. So far so good. Euro yen is the best one. We keep going to the upside. I wish that it goes all the way to my target. So let's see what happened. I will come back. I'll keep this video. I'll just pause it and then finish the last part when it's very close to the target. All right. Or if I'm ready to close these trades and go to sleep, right? So whichever comes first. So bye for now, and hopefully talk to you soon. Hello, everyone. Sam is here again. Just updating my trades for today, yen pairs. Just wanted to make this video to show how I basically proceed, how I plan, and then I wait for the entry and then I take the trades, right? So a lot of people ask. So I said, well, let me make the video live trading, and then I can give it to whoever wants to know how I do it, right? So this is the pound yen I've been showing in the entry, the first entry, the second entry. I have two entries, and then I sell move to here in the middle. And this is having difficulty going to the upside. This pair, it has gone too far up already. If you look at the 40-minute chart, and it will show you that what really happened is that, see, it dropped from here, which is 93.53, and then all the way here, and then if it start to go up, and then it is exactly below this. So this is hesitating going to the upside, but still, regardless, what I see on like a PA in the volume time, and just follow the PA. If you have the setup in the direction, and that's it. So I had the setup here, right? It was going to the upside, so I took it, and it's still in the money, no problem, but not as good as the other. For example, this pair has a daily range. Let me show you the 7-minute entry. See, this is the entry, right? So it went up all the way there, and then instead of going to the upside, boom, it came down, right? And then it went up. So luckily, I didn't move my SL. It was right here underneath that. Now I just moved it just in case if it wants to come again. So at least the first entry will go away, but I'll still have another entry. So let's see what happened. But I was hoping that it will go there. Now, if you look at it, 236 is the daily range. Yesterday it did 198, but today only 121. So that's unfair, right? So, but as you know, that's far as that happens, right? Now I'm expecting that at least maybe 50, 60 pip more, so we can get to this area. But let's see what happens, right? It doesn't matter. Sometimes good, sometimes bad. That happens. But the system has to be good, working. So my entries were worked, and they are going to the upside part, nicely, clean. Now the other pair I was talking about was a euro yen, right? Euro yen was also bouncing from this and going to the upside after posting a reversal candle. You can see it's a nice reversal candle here, the white candle. Let me just make it bigger a little bit so you will see it. So this is the reversal candle, right? So after that, it start to go to the upside, and this one went a little bit faster and is still going powerfully, right? So the target on this one, let me shrink it again and again. And the target I have set for this, where are they? Okay, what happened? I didn't set the target for this. Okay, maybe not on this 40-minute chart. I don't have it, but maybe on the 7-minute chart I have it. Let me show it to you. The 7-minute chart, euro yen, is this. Okay, so the target is the upside was this, and there was downside was this. That if by chance if there is a news or something and it goes below this wave, and then it would go here. But luckily, it went up and nice and clean, going to the upside. So far, it's 85 pip from the entry. Right, if you measure from this entry to this yellow line right now, it's 90 pip. Right. So just keep going to the upside. So here, somewhere here, I'm going to close it, and that would be, let's say, that would be 110 pip trade, right? Not bad. See, it's bouncing, going up nicely now. So 100 pip, 110 pip trade is, pretty good, right? Another one which was very late entry, just like that, is this one. So the entry should have been this one, right? But I didn't see it. I was busy making video, so it went up. So here I made the entry, so it went up, it came down, and then nicely going to the upside. The target for this one is this. So even so much, like I mean, so much. My entry is so late, then still you can see that if it goes there to my target, it's gonna be 85th trade, not bad, right? So another one is also very late entry, and this is this ASEAN, right? I have to write down things. So, it didn't give me entry earlier. So it went up there and, right here. So this entry is still like, maybe 10, 15 pip positive, but still what the idea is that you want to be positive. When you make the entry, don't go negative, right? So the system is, you see, it's bouncing now. It's only 12, 13 pip, but it is going to the upside. So even if it goes here, for example, R2, this would be R2. Yeah, R2. This pair don't have bigger daily range. So this R1 already hit. We bounce from the pivot. R1 is gone, and then we might be able to go to R2. So from the entry to R2 would be 50 pip, not bad, right? And Cadian never gave me the entry, and I don't want to enter anymore, anything, because I'm really, really sleepy and too tired. I just took a nap, 30-minute nap, and then woke up again. So, but I just want to get it over with and go to sleep. So this is how it's done, right? So one more update, and then probably I'll close because this Euro Yen is the one that giving me 100 pip. That's it. The other maybe pound yen is how much? It's not much. It's from this is the entry, the first entry, and so far I'm up is 55 pip, no problem. So 100 euro yen, 60, 70 here. This might pop. No, I don't know, but I mean, just take it out this high, right? So it just go all the way there. No, I don't know yet that what's gonna do, but 93, 53 is like big resistance, right? So it's hesitating going towards that. I don't know why, but the euro yen powerfully going to the upside. So let's see what happens. I will come back and update. All right. So bye for now and talk to you soon again. Hello, everyone. Simon's here again, updating my trades. So as you can see that euro yen is very close to the target, or even you may go a little bit more. Let's see the 40-minute, what the 40-minute is telling me that it might go to 61.99, right? So why not just wait and see what happens, right? I'm not in a hurry to close. I'm up 100 pip, right? So let's see the 7-minute chart. Let me 61.99. Yes, so weekly high, 61.99 weekly high is going to be probably this R2 actually, right? Right here. Yeah. Well, 62, right? So, excuse me. So, yes, the 61.99 is, oops, sorry. This is 62. So, let me just, yeah, 62. Okay. Forget it. It's just one. Yeah, man, it was up. 61.99. Okay. Let's see. Wants to be exact. Okay, I'll give it exact, right? So, so no problem here. And we were here. Let's see. Like that. Okay, that line here, the white line, right? So, okay, so we will wait and see what happened, right? So now, exactly right now is from here, you can see is 107 pip, right? So I wrote down 100 pip. I recorded the chart for 100. Now, at the same time, the pound yen, I remember I just said a little while ago that it's going to pop, and it did. So it was here and hesitating a little bit, but then it went up. So right now, you can see from my first entry is that 60 pip, right? It was 70, but it came down a little bit. I don't know why I wrote down 70. So it's 60, and then the second entry is 40. So 60 and 40, that's 100 pip basically, but just right, from bottom to top is 60 pip, not 70, right? So that's just 60 pip here. The first entry again from here to here. Yeah. So let me just write down, record the chart for 60 pip. This is second trade. I'm not trading much. I'm doing all of this, recording, and this is the other stuff. So this week, tired and busy with some other things. So just, these are couple of trades here, a couple of trades on the other account of the other computer. That's all there is. I'm not in full trading mode this week. So these are the two, so just 100 pip euro yen right now and 60 pip here, even though this is the one of the slowest day, very, very slow, right? This one is like, come on, this is like 236 daily range. Yesterday it did 200, and today it's only 135. So that's how slow it is. Otherwise, pound yen is the one that usually gives me big trade, 120, 130, all of that. But different days, different results. No big deal. Altogether, it's 160 right here, and then I have this going on USD yen. USD yen, right? So this entry here so far, not too much, but as 40 pip, right? So it may go all the way here. This is the target basically. So let's see if we can get there. But this is 40. So this is 40, GJ 60, and Euro had 200 pip in this slow, lousy day, right? So this is how it is. If it is a busy day, you will see that 100, 150, 160 pip trades in these three pairs. So and right now you can see that this is live chart, live account, live everything here, and you can see it here, everything I'm recording while the things are moving, right? So euro yen, let's take a look one more time. See, it's coming back now. So you know what? I'm gonna close because I need to go to sleep. I'm too tired. You may go to the to the highest level here, but this is enough for me. Right. So I'm gonna close this euro yen and pound yen and USD yen. I will let it run. Maybe go up a little bit. I'm sitting on a break even. Not really. So I'm gonna right here. Okay. All right. So almost break even. And that's it. If it comes back and hit my SL, it's fine. And if it goes all the way there, it's fine. But it's 40 pip here right now. But you know what? And it's very slow day, right? It's 7 o'clock. So I'm gonna close all and go to sleep with 200 pip in these yen pairs. And I'm gonna close the video as well. All right. So this is it for now. Closing the, like some more, some less. Usually my son is awake, then I go to sleep. Then I said, okay, just watch my trades. But he's sleeping as well, right? Because there is no news tonight at all, no volume, no news. The only news is going to be coming around 10 o'clock. So he's going to wake up at 10, right? So here I have in front of you, I did it. It's from start to finish. I made this entry in front of you. I made the GJ entries in front of you, right? Yeah, while I was making this video. And then Euro Yen, I made the video. When I start the video, it was like 10, 15 pip. Now I'm closing it for 100 pip, right? At least 100 pip. So this is it for now. Let me just close right in front of you. So you can see this is Finito, 400. This is, I'm not even recording it because you know that I don't record charts below 50 pip. So it's only 40 pip. So I'm closing this one as well. And I'm closing pound yen for 60. So that's total of, this is like two entries, by the way. One is 60, one is 40. but I'm closing both of them. I don't need this anymore. Boom, gone. Right? So they can go to whatever they want, but I am closing it almost like 240 pip right now. I close all of them, right? Oh, sorry. There was another one that I want to close and get it over with. This is maybe 10, 15 pip, right? So who cares? Bye-bye. So this is how it is, right? So that's why I said that, a lot of them, like I closed 35, 40 pip, I don't even show. I don't even talk about it, just like I did just now, right? I closed USD yen 40 pip, this one maybe 10, 15 pip, So I don't even talk about it. Those are like just, change. These are done. All right. So I'm going to close the video here and I will upload and then I'll, show it to you guys that this is how it's done. This is how I get my trades. All right. So bye for now and hopefully talk to you guys later.